Here's a simple way to change a light fixture without changing a light fixture. This is an older light fixture without a dusk to dawn feature, meaning when it gets dark outside, you have to flick on the light switch to turn on the light outside the house. We're going to go ahead and replace it with a specialized light bulb which will turn on automatically when it gets dark. So what we're talking about a new light bulb from General Electric. This one has a built-in dusk to dawn feature, and if you look at the bulb carefully, it's not only an LED bulb, but we also have two light sensors on both sides of the bulb. So all we got to do is just change it out, and you'll see exactly what we're talking about here. We've already unscrewed the original LED bulb that was here, and this dusk to dawn bulb just fits in the light socket just like a normal bulb does. So screw it in, and when you first screw it in, it turns on for a little while until it adjusts itself properly, then it turns off. And so after screwing in the bulb, it turned on for about 2 minutes and it turned off. Now it's adjusted itself to the ambient lighting. As you can see, it's still light out. So when it gets dark, the bulb will turn on by itself. And so again, having this bulb means you don't have to change out the light fixture with a built-in photo sensor for dusk to dawn. And this type of bulb, again, it's pretty inexpensive. It's about $15. We got it on sale. And there are more advanced bulbs like this that have built-in Wi-Fi, smart home support, and all of that. So check into it. Check your favorite home improvement store. You might find more models of these bulbs. And again, thank you for watching. Take care.